Once again back to my channel. Today we are going to see an amazing and fantastic trick in Microsoft Excel. Creating PDF from Excel with a button click like this. See here, click on the create PDF button. Now see the PDF created here. Now I am selecting one more report. Click on create PDF, that is created here. My humble request to all viewers who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please watch without skipping the video. You can study how to add button to your Excel report without writing any VBA code. I am Sabu Joseph. Welcome to SVJ Academy. Usually we are using one method, save as method. On the file we can see save as. Select this one, click on save as, give the location. Here select the file type as PDF. Now select a location, then click on save. Now the PDF generated. It is placed on the desktop. This is the PDF generated. This is the traditional method. Everybody is using this method. The second method to create PDF is like this. Go to file, click on export, create PDF or XPS documents, create PDF or XPS. Click on that one, give a location, give the file name. I am giving PDF2. Now click on publish. Now the PDF created on the desktop. This is the PDF file. So this is the second method using the export method. But all these two methods are traditional and we are using every day. It is a very time consuming work to create PDF in this way. Instead, we can use VBA code to create PDF from Excel. In this session, we are going to see how to create PDF with the macros in Excel. This is the payroll utility. Here we want to create payslip for the employees. So we have so many employees here. For all those employees, we have to create PDF. So how can we create PDF in easy way? For creating each PDF, we can't go to file save as. F12 is the function key to open the save as dialog box. Here you can create PDF, PDF3. Now see, it is placed here. But it will take time to create PDF for each and every report. I am removing all the PDF created now. Now see, I have created a button to create the PDF. When I click on this button, it will create the PDF automatically. So how you can create this button on your Excel file? Do you know VBA code? No need of VBA code. Without VBA coding, we can do it. The Microsoft Excel itself will write the VBA code for you. How? The Excel have a function called macros. Whatever the work we are doing in an Excel, that we can record by using macros. I will just explain the macros in a simple way. Macros are like a tape recorder. We can just press the play button. The tape recorder will start playing the contents we already recorded. On the same way, we can use the button on your Excel sheet to play the recorded data. So how can we create this button on your Excel sheet without VBA code? Here there is no button on this sheet. I am going to create the button on this Excel file. So what we want to do, we can use macros. Under View tab, you can see macros. Here, View macros, record macro, use relative references. The same function you can see on the left bottom corner of the Excel, macros. So from here we can use the macro or from here we can use the macro. So what you have to do in simple, before starting the process, you just start the macro, record macro. When you click on record macro, it will ask a macro name. You have to give a macro name. I am giving a macro name PDF creation. Here we can assign a shortcut key. The Excel have so many shortcut keys. You know all the shortcut keys. Regularly we are using Ctrl P for print, Ctrl S for save. On the same way, we can also create a shortcut key. The only thing is, when we assign the shortcut key, the one thing we have to remember, use any alphabet which is not used in any other Excel function. Most of the alphabets are used for some functions assigned in Excel. For example, Ctrl A means select the entire worksheet. Ctrl B for bold. Control C for copy. D for copying the upper data. Control F for find. Likewise, most of the alphabets have its own functions, but some alphabets have there is no function in Excel. The first alphabet is M. M have no function. Next is J. J have no function. Q, there is no function. So the shortcut key we have to assign here should be Q, J or M. Here I am assigning Q. Control Q. I will explain what is the need of this shortcut key that automatically you can understand after seeing this function. Now I assigned Control Q. When you click OK, it will start recording. Now see, the Excel started recording. Now whatever you are doing in this Excel sheet, automatically it will write the VBA code. The recording macro means it will write the VBA code. So go to File, click on Save As, give the file location, click on Desktop, or you can place any drive. Give the file name, select the Save As type, PDF. Now click on Save. Now the PDF created on the desktop. See here. Now what you have to do, click on macros, stop recording. Now the recording is going on. Stop recording. Now it is stopped the recording. Now let's see the magic. I am removing the PDF we created now. What is the key we assign now? Control Q. Just press Control Q. You can see the magic. Now see, PDF created. So Control Q we assigned as a shortcut key. So whenever you click on Control Q, it will automatically create the PDF. Now I think you may understand the need of that shortcut key. Now you are using this Excel file and you know this shortcut key, Control Q. But if somebody using this file, how they know the shortcut key? So instead of that shortcut key, here we can give a button. This is the need of button. For creating the button, go to Developer tab. Under Developer tab, you can see Design Mode. After click on Design Mode, go to Insert Controls. Here you can see Form Controls and Active X Controls. Under Form Control, select the button and you can paste here. Now it is asking the macro to open this button. The macro we created is already named PDF creation. Just select that macro, then click on OK. Now see the button created here. You can change the file name, right click, edit text. You can give any name. Here I am giving create PDF. You can increase the font size, the color of the font and everything. Right click, go to form control. This format control is same as in Excel. Click on bold. You can increase the font size. You can give the color for the font. Then click on OK. Now see the button created here. Now we can use either Control Q for creating PDF, or we can click on this button, PDF will create. See, now the PDF created here. Now what is the name showing? Anish. Now I am selecting one more employee, click on PDF. Now the old PDF replaced by the new one. See, new employee name will be there. So this is the simple way to create the PDF by using macros. No need to write VBA code. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you can record the macro, you can create the button, you can use this macro in all of your reports for creating invoices, for creating salary slips, and what are the reports you have to generate every time. Instead of using F12 or Save As, create the button. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Kindly enable the bell icon. You will get real-time notifications when I upload new videos. Kindly go through all of my other videos. Lot of accounting related practical videos are there. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.